What's on your lock screen?
It's the original iPhone 4 wallpaper. I like old stuff, man.
What's on your lock screen?
Just a tree, bro. I think it came standard.
What's on your lock screen?
Just the new iOS background. Looks cool, doesn't it?
What's on your lock screen?
Just like a basic Apple wallpaper. I like blue.
What's on your lock screen?
We got the generic one. It's complicated. I can't get into it.
What's on your lock screen?
It's just like the default. I think a lock screen is like a big commitment.
What's on your lock screen?
Still blank. I don't like anything on it. It takes too much space. It's distracting. I got no friends.
What's on your lock screen?
My dead dog.
What's his name?
Indy. He was 16.
He was a good boy.
What's on your lock screen?
It's just a blank screen. Every time I look at it, I get it like addictive. So I'm just like, I might as well make it blank.
What's on your lock screen?
Me and my sister at my graduation.
It's just a great day.
Something good I want to remember.
What's on your lock screen?
It's like a pop art, you know, like a little SpongeBob pop art. I think it was like a silly Christmas gift.
What is on your lock screen?
Right now it's my dog.
Why the dog though?
I love my dog. I miss her a lot.
What's on your lock screen?
Pictures of Sweden.
Why Sweden?
I was there,
Okay.
and I thought it was cool.
What's on your lock screen?
Flowers.
Why?
Because I like flowers.